Good morning, class. Today we'll be discussing how to find the area of a square. Now, what do we mean by area of a square? What is the area of a square? Now, the area of a square is the space inside the shape, or the space occupied by the shape. If we look to our right, we can see a square. Now, the square is 5 cm by 5 cm. If we remember from geometry, we did that a square of all equal sides. Now, if we look closely, we can see that inside of a square is blue. Now, the blue section is the space occupied, or the space inside the square, which should be our area. Excellent. How do we calculate the area of a square? To find the area of a square, we use a special formula. The formula is A equal length times width. And the formula is used as a general way to find the area of any square. So since a square have same length and same width, we can say the area is length times length or width times width. Or we can simplify it to be A equal L square, where A is for area and L is for length. Now, example on our right, we see the length is 5 cm. So we can say that A equal length times length, or A equal L square, which should be that A equal to 5 cm times 5 cm, which should be equal to 25 cm square. Now, area is always in square units. Now, in our second example, we can clearly see that for our square on our right, the length is 9 cm and the width is also 9 cm. So using our formula again, A equal to length times width, we can say that A equal to L square. Now, since our length is 9 cm, we can say that L, we can simply multiply and say that A equal to 9 cm times 9 cm, which will give us 81 again. L is always in square units, so it is 81 cm square. Now, in our next example, we can see only one length of a side is given, but we know that all four sides are the same. So again, using our formula, A equal to length times length, so A will be equal to L squared, which will mean that A equal to 14 cm by 14 cm, and we multiply 14 cm by 14 cm, we get our area of 196 cm squared. Excellent. I will give you guys 5 minutes to do a do now. Find the area of these three squares. One is 4 cm, one is 10 cm, one is 15 cm. Excellent. Now we can see now first one, the area of 4 cm will give us a length of 4 cm will give us an area of 16 cm square. A length of 10 yards will give us an area of 100 yards square. And a length of 15 feet will give us an area of 225 feet square. Excellent. Now that you have learned how to calculate the area of a square, we can find the area now of any square, even a garden and so forth. Excellent. See you for next class.